Welcome back to Dr. Karen's Math Hacks. Today we're going to learn how to convert between cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. All right, the first thing we want to do is draw out the graphic. Cups, pints, quarts. These are in alphabetical order in addition to being in order of size. Then we have gallons on the bottom. It doesn't fit really well with the alphabetical thing, but we all know that a gallon is bigger than any of these. 2 cups and a pint, 2 pints and a quart, 4 quarts and a gallon. Okay? If we are converting from gallons up to something smaller, if we're going upwards, we're going to multiply. If we're going from small units to big ones, so if we're going down on this graphic, then we're going to divide. These numbers determine what our conversion factor is, and we multiply those. All right? So let's look at an example. Let's say we have 6 gallons, and we want to know how many pints that is. So we're going from gallons to pints. So we're going to be multiplying because we're going upwards from gallons to pints. And gallons, so 4 times 2 is 8. So we're going to multiply the 6 gallons by 8 pints per gallon. Now we're going to get 48 pints. Let's look at an example going the other way. Let's say we have 400 cups. And we want to know how many gallons that is. All right? So we're going to go downward. So we're going to be dividing this 400 cups. And we go 2 times 2 is 4 times 4 is 16. 16 cups per gallon. And we're dividing because we're going from cups to gallons, which is downward. Okay, you always multiply these to get the conversion factor, and then either multiply or divide the number depending on which way you're going. So 400 cups divided by 16 cups per gallon, that's 100 divided by 4, which is 25 gallons. We've got 40 quarts, and we want to know how many cups that is. Okay, from quarts, 2 times 2 is 4. So we're multiplying by 4. So 160 cups. One more. Let's take 60 pints. And we want to know how many gallons that is. Pints to gallons, we're going down, so we're going to divide. 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 15 over 2, which is 7.5. 7.5 gallons. Once again, to draw the graphic, you write cups, pints, quarts, and gallons in a column. 2, 2, 4. You can remember this by 2 plus 2 equals 4, or 2 times 2 equals 4, whatever. Up is multiply, down is divide. So you multiply these numbers to get your conversion factor, and then you either multiply or divide with the number that you're trying to convert. I hope that made these conversions easier for you. and that you can put this to use. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing or hitting the like button. I'll be posting another math hack next week.